Hey, welcome to feralart, or welcome back to feralart. How you doing? Okay, well, today we are off on another pleating adventure. I did a pleated split cup, or flip cup, the other day, and after having decided that it would be best to do with a small color palette, I used like 10 colors. It wasn't ugly. It just, you couldn't see the pleats because there was so much other stuff going on. So today I have a somewhat limited color palette. I have Arteza Titanium White. I have Lucas Krill Indigo. I have Amsterdam Permanent Red Violet. And I have Deco Art 24 Karat Gold, which for some reason is kind of thin. I don't know. Maybe I'll put some more PM in it. I don't know. I did put more PM in it. It just, meh. All right, so we're going to go ahead and layer our cup. So we're going to get down on the table here and see what happens. Okay? Okay. Cup. This takes about 7 ounces of paint to cover the canvas. That should be plenty. And flip. Ooh, big overspill. Okay. Now we have our big scoopity-doop, scoop-a-loop. And we're just going to go in and see about picking this mess up. It's a little thinner than I wanted it to be. Come on, move. There we go. Got kind of a rough start there on our pleats. What you gonna do? I think that's pretty neat looking. I even like this swoopy dupe over here. That's kind of cool. I guess the gold is going to show up as shimmer because it sure ain't showing up any other kind of way. I'm going to go one more spin, I think, just because this I don't like. There we go. Okay. I'm going to clean this up and I'll bring you back in for flower. Okay, here are the wet results of my pleated flip cup. The bottom down here kind of shows that I got off to a rocky start, but I can kind of get into it a little bit. Anyway, let's go look at the pleats, the star of the show. So our pleats definitely showed up better with a more limited palette of colors. We've got little cells coming up in here. My paints seemed a little thin to me, and I'm not sure why that would be, but you know, what are you gonna do? Sometimes you mix them all the same and they just get a little thin seeming. I guess I could have put some gel gloss in them. I just wasn't quite in the mood to do all that. So anyway, I think this turned out pretty cool, and I think with more practice, you know, I'll get the hang of starting the pleats. I might have even been able to stretch that out and spin it off, but I was liking the looks of the pleats that I could see, so I kept it. Anyway, so there we go. See you soon. This would be me trying to figure out where all the gold went. And I mean, you can see a few sparklies here and there. There's some around that white, maybe. You know, it's in there, but it just flipping disappeared. Like I said, it was thin, so I don't know exactly why. But anyway, I don't see hiding or hair of it, really. There's a few little bits. I don't know. Weird. There's maybe some. Hello? I don't know. There's some sparklies, but none of them are very pronounced. Isn't that weird? Oh well. There we go. Whoop-tee. Here are the dry results of my pleated flip cup. This came out pretty cool. My gold just like totally disappeared though. Got a dog hair in it. Whoops. But I like this overall. I think it turned out really neat. I think part of the problem with this one, well, I got off to a bad start, but my paints were really thin and I'm not real sure why. But we ended up with some nice color variation. I'm having trouble with the sun here. And I think it turned out pretty cool. And the pleats are nicely made. I just wish I'd gotten off to a little better start. But, you know, this is tricky, you guys. Making pleats is a little bit weird. It's cool, but it's a little difficult. So, before you go, you know the drill. Make sure that subscribe button is pushed. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you liked about this painting or what you didn't. And share with your friends if you can. It's absolutely free. It helps out so much. So thanks so much and have a lovely day.